Hi guys, here we've got iPhone and let me show you how to create collage TikTok story here. So at first, just tap on plus icon and go to templates. Now tap on upload photos, continue, and mark photos that you would like to add to this collage. So let me mark the last six pictures and then tap on OK. Now wait till the effect is applied. Now you can add some effect on it if you wish. And then you can also, let me just save it, you can also add a filter. And now this is your video. Let's just tap on next, tag it with hashtags and also name it as only you wish. Use all the details, and here's your collage video. Okay, so that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.